Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to make a game. I cover it step by step. The first step is to make a game is choose a game engine. Game engine is a software that helps you create the game. It's do a lot of physics and graphics and other stuff. It takes them easy for you. For this tutorial, I wanna show you and create a little game with Unity. So firstly, you have to go to the www.unity.com and then you can click on the get started. There are some options, each of them have features, but for now you can choose individual plan, and from there you can choose between personal and student. I'll go with personal so everybody can follow the tutorial. You can also start to chat with the bot by clicking on the floating button on the right bottom side of the website. I'm gonna ignore it and click on the start here. Before you downloading Unity personal version, it shows up some conditions that you are no longer suitable for using Unity personal. If you are not in any of these conditions, then click on agree and download. Then it shows up Unity Hub for you. After installing Unity Hub, you may see a different window than the window I see. It's because since I already have Unity installed and have some projects. You should go to the installs and then click add. There are some versions of Unity. It's up to you to choose between the older Unity versions that are more stable or the newer version that have more features. For example, I'm going to choose Unity 2020.2.1 F1 and then click next. And then you can choose what platforms and add-ons you have to install with Unity. I recommend you to click all of the things you want. More the better. It takes some space on your device, but it makes your job so easy. It's so hard if you want to go back and then install one of these. It's better install it just from now and then click on next. Okay, if you want to choose Visual Studio add-on to it, have some license them you have to read and then go to download it. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then like it. And if you want to watch more of these videos, consider to subscribe. There are plenty of them in this channel.